This brand is made in China and can be purchased on Amazon, but the warranty on the compressor, which is the heart of any air conditioner, is not very good when compared to other brands. The brand uses R32 refrigerant, which is environmentally friendly, but they use a single hose, which is not as energy efficient as conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned. They use a basic washable filter, which does not do much to keep the cooling coil clean or to improve the air quality in the home. They have electronic controls with a remote. The units have manually adjusted louvers, which does not circulate the air throughout the room, as well as brands with oscillating louvers. The HvacRepairGuy model has a 8000 BTU cooling capacity and is relatively quiet operating with a 52 decibel noise rating, which is much less than the level from normal adult conversation. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.